If you are unsure of the spelling of a particular word, you can use Outlook's spelling and grammar tools. Words that the program is unable to find in its dictionary and potential grammatical errors are automatically underlined. As well as selecting from a helpful list of suggestions, you can also improve the dictionary by adding your own words. I currently have a new email message window open in Outlook. Outlook spelling and grammar tools will visually indicate if there has been an error in your text. For example, under the text R is a red squiggly line, indicating that the word has been misspelled. If I click on this spelling error, a double check spelling here menu appears. Displayed in the menu is a list of spelling suggestions for the underlined text. If you hover your mouse over a suggestion in the menu, a More Options button displayed as 3 dots appears to the right of it. Click this and another menu appears, with the option to read the suggestion aloud, spell the suggestion out, change all instances of the misspelled word to the suggestion, or the option to add the suggestion to autocorrect. From the menu, I'll select Spell Out.
AOE.
And audio has just played of the spelling suggestion being spelled out. To change the misspelled word to a suggestion in the menu, you can click the More Options button to the right of a suggestion, and from the menu select Change All. Or you can simply click on the suggestion in the menu. And the misspelled text in my email has now changed to the spelling suggestion. I'll click on another misspelled word in my email. And at the bottom left of the double check spelling here menu is the option Ignore All. Clicking Ignore All would tell the spelling tool to skip all instances of that error and to no longer flag it as a mistake. To the right of Ignore All is a More Options button displayed as 3 dots. Click this and a menu appears. At the top of the menu is the option Ignore, to only skip that instance of the error. The option Add to Dictionary to add the misspelled word to the Outlook dictionary. Show Context to show the sentence the misspelled word is in. Show synonyms of the spelling suggestions. And the option Show All Actions. Click on Show All Actions. And the shortcut menu then appears and the option Spelling is selected. So displayed to the right of the shortcut menu is a spelling side menu. And again in the side menu is spelling suggestions, the option to add to dictionary, ignore all, and see more. Click on see more, and the editor side pane opens on the right. Close this by clicking the X icon at the top right. Another way to open the editor side pane is by clicking the Review tab at the top of the Tools ribbon. And in the Proofing group on the left of the ribbon, click on the Editor tool. The editor side pane again opens on the right. In this side pane, you can find more details about the spelling and grammar correction suggestions for your email. At the top of the pane is the total number of correction suggestions for your email. Below that, under the heading Corrections, will be the number of spelling and grammar corrections found in your email. And then under the heading Refinements is the number of clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, punctuation conventions, and vocabulary suggestions, etc. for your email. With grammar checks, you also have the option to have Outlook explain the grammar rule to aid comprehension. For example, if I click on Grammar in the editor side pane, a grammar mistake is highlighted in my email, and a spelling card appears below the text. At the top of the card, it states the grammar rule for this text. For example, here it states that after an introductory word or phrase, a comma is best. Close the editor side pane by clicking on the X icon at the top right. In Outlook, you can ensure that your email spelling is automatically checked before sending. To do this, click the File tab at the top left of the Tools ribbon, and at the bottom left of the Backstage View menu, click on Options. An Outlook Options window opens. From the menu on the left, click the Mail tab, and in the Compose Messages section, check the box to the left of Always Check Spelling Before Sending. A check mark now appears inside the box indicating this feature is activated. Below that is the option to ignore original message text in reply or forward, so a sender's email is not checked for spelling and grammar. To deactivate this feature, click the box to the left of this option, and a check mark no longer appears in the box, indicating this has been deactivated. Close this window by clicking the OK button at the bottom right. This has been an overview on spell checking your email in Outlook.